Every time you tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, you receive something immediately. Not progress, not success, relief. For a moment, the pressure disappears. The task still exists, but today no longer has to deal with it. And that immediate relief helps explain why tomorrow can feel more attractive than taking action now. Behavioral scientists call part of this pattern temporal discounting. It describes our tendency to value rewards less when they are further away. Imagine choosing between $100 today or $120 next month. Waiting produces the larger reward, but the immediate option often feels more valuable simply because it is available now. The same conflict appears in everyday life. Rest now or become healthier later. Spend now or build security later. Avoid the work now or create opportunity later. The future reward may be larger, but the present reward feels real. Temporal discounting refers to the decline in a delayed reward's subjective value. Although researchers caution that it is only one part of complex self-control and procrastination behavior. Long-term goals are full of delayed rewards. Learning a skill may take months. Building a business may take years. Saving money can feel invisible. Creating content may produce nothing for a long time. But distraction pays immediately. Scrolling is available now. Comfort is available now. Avoidance is available now. Your brain does not need to believe that distraction is more important than your future. It only needs to feel that the reward is closer. But procrastination is not only about preferring an immediate reward. It is also about escaping an immediate emotion. A difficult task can create boredom, uncertainty, frustration, fear, or self-doubt. Postponing it can reduce those feelings almost instantly. Researchers describe this as prioritizing short-term mood repair over a long-term goal. That is why procrastination can feel good for a moment, even while making life harder later. You are not simply avoiding the task. You are avoiding how the task makes you feel. I used to interpret that pattern as a lack of discipline. Tomorrow I would apply. Tomorrow I would create. Tomorrow I would deal with the difficult thing. But tomorrow was not really a plan. It was somewhere I could place discomfort without abandoning the goal completely. I could still imagine myself becoming better without experiencing the uncertainty of beginning today. That was the trap. Postponement allowed me to protect both my comfort and my self-image, at least temporarily. Then the deadline moved closer. Suddenly, the future consequence stopped feeling distant. The assignment became urgent. The missed opportunity became real. The cost of doing nothing finally entered the present, and motivation appeared almost overnight. This is one reason people can delay for weeks, then complete an enormous amount of work in the final few hours. The task did not suddenly become easier. Its consequences became psychologically closer. Temporal motivation theory similarly proposes that motivation tends to rise as a deadline approaches and delay shrinks. So the answer is not to wait for your future reward to become more exciting, and it is not to shame yourself into becoming more disciplined. The better approach is to change what happens now. Make the first action smaller. Reduce uncertainty. Give the behavior an immediate reward. Do 5 minutes. Open the document. Write 1 sentence. Prepare 1 application. Walk for 10 minutes. Do not ask your present self to emotionally experience the entire journey. Ask it to complete the next visible action. Research on long-term goal pursuit suggests that immediate rewards can improve persistence, even when the larger objective remains delayed. It also helps to make the future less abstract. Picture the actual person who benefits, not future me, you, 6 months from now, living with the result of what you repeatedly choose today. Research on episodic future thinking suggests that vividly imagining future events can reduce delayed discounting in some contexts by making future outcomes feel more concrete. The goal is not to become obsessed with the future. It is to stop treating it like a stranger's problem. The next time you say, I'll start tomorrow, notice the reward you're receiving today. Maybe it is comfort, maybe it is certainty, maybe it is relief from feeling inadequate. Then ask a better question. How can I make one useful action easier than avoiding it? Because procrastination is not always a battle between ambition and laziness. Sometimes it is a negotiation between present discomfort and a future that still feels too far away. Tomorrow matters, but tomorrow can only inherit what today begins. This is the exit plan, building freedom, one asset at a time.